Uncover your travel spending secrets and learn to master your budget with this super quick guide to yearly expense trends in Tableau. Alright, let's dive right in first. Make sure your data is ready to load into Tableau. This could be from a spreadsheet, a database, or a cloud service. You'll primarily need columns for date and expenses. The data should have at least one column for the date of the expense data and a column representing the expense itself, such as the total budget spent. Today, we will be loading expenses from an Excel file. Click Connect to Data and select the appropriate connection type. For this example, we will select Excel, then click on the Excel file that contains the data. Once finished, Tableau will prompt you to select a table. Next, drag your data table onto the canvas. Make sure Tableau recognizes your data correctly, like dates, are correctly formatted. Adjust any data types if necessary. The data type selected can be found next to each data table column. Now, let's build our visualization. Go to the Sheet tab and select a new sheet. Your data table and column labels are displayed in the left-hand side under the Fields pane. Any fields with a globe icon represent a geographical coordinate. Drag your date field to the columns shelf. Tableau should automatically recognize it as a date and create a year hierarchy. Similarly, drag your expense field to the rows shelf. This creates your basic chart. You should now see a bar chart showing your yearly expenses. If you don't see yearly trends, right-click on the date field on the columns shelf and choose year. Your chart is now displaying yearly expense data. To enhance the chart, add labels for better readability. Right-click on your chart and select Annotate, then click Mark. Adjust the color, label, and text format to make the chart visually appealing. Finally, give your worksheet a descriptive title. For a different perspective, you can change the chart type. Drag your field from the rows shelf to the columns shelf. Select the area chart type. Comparing your yearly expense trends offers a smooth visual representation of spending habits. And there you have it. You've successfully uncovered your yearly travel expense trends in Tableau. Now, you can identify spending peaks, compare years, and make informed decisions to optimize your travel budget. Remember to experiment with different chart types and filters to dig deeper.